What's up guys, it's Renz, welcome back to the channel. So today's the day, it's Apple Vision Pro launch day. In this video, we're going to be picking up the Apple Vision Pro, giving you guys some of my first reactions, like seeing it in the Apple Store, and then taking it back to the office, unboxing it, giving you guys some of my initial impressions of the Apple Vision Pro. So let's get right into it. So now we have the Apple Vision Pro in person, and first initial thoughts of it, like just seeing it for the first time, it's smaller than it actually looks. In the videos they made it seem a little bit bigger, but it's actually quite small. So I'm hoping that since it is smaller in person, that it is lighter, because in terms of comfortability, that was like a major concern of a lot of reviews that I've been watching, but it looks small in person, so that's a good sign, right? So we just picked up the Apple Vision Pro. You guys got some of my initial thoughts and impressions in there, but now let's go ahead and unbox this at home and see what the Apple Vision Pro is all about. Let's go. Alright, so that's Vision Pro. What you get in the box besides the Vision Pro is here. So we got polishing cloth. Alright, so we got here nice little polishing cloth. With the Vision Pro right there, if you guys can see that. Very nice. Cloth is specifically for the Vision Pro. Nice. Also, you have the light seal cushions, so an extra pair of light seal cushions here. Yeah. Really nice material, super soft. Got that there. Let's see what else we got here. So this is another booklet, probably, on how to use Vision Pro, like a quick start guide, and the steps on how to get started. So next we got the dual loop band. This is the extra band that it comes with, just in case you don't like the solo knit band and how that fits. This has extra support on the head. And of course, the battery pack. It's actually quite heavy, surprisingly. So we got the battery, the proprietary connector here. What else we got here? All right, so we got some, just your standard USB-C cable. These are the ones that come with the iPhone. And then we have the power brick. So you just have a 30-watt USB-C power adapter right here. So now that we unboxed the Apple Vision Pro, how does it actually feel? Now when it comes to the materials, it does feel premium. I mean, it is a near $4,000 product, so I didn't expect anything less. So when it comes to the solo knit band, it's actually quite soft so that it feels really comfortable on the back of your head. Right here, we have a little knob to adjust the tension of the solo knit band. That way you can kind of adjust it based on your head size. And for reference, I did get a medium on my Vision Pro headset. And in here you get a nice little, protective cover for the glass. The glass is quite heavy, and you have to actually be careful taking this out, because sometimes when I'm taking it out and I'm holding this whole light seal kind of just pops out, so you don't want that happening. So you have to actually be really careful when you take out the glass cover here. It is a fingerprint magnet, so you have to actually be careful, because if you drop this is a $2,500 repair. Obviously you have all of your cameras, the module under. We have the digital crown here, which adjusts the amount of environment that is taking up the Vision Pro. You'll understand exactly what I mean later when we do the demo. And then we have the capture button here. So this will capture the photos or videos in the Vision Pro. And then on the two sides, we have the speakers on both sides right here. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and try this on and give you guys a full demo experience of using the Vision Pro for the first time. Get your battery pack here, and then you're gonna put that in here. And it's like a little latch, and you just twist it. Boom. And you'll know it's on because it'll do a click, and that's it. That's gonna power up the Vision Pro. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, all you need to do is to adjust the tension, because my headset's like bobbing a little bit. You just tighten it here until you get the right fit. Boom. And that's pretty much it. How do I look? All right, so I actually just went ahead and did the whole Apple Vision Pro process, like setting up the optical ID. I just figured it's pretty boring and I can't capture that content anyway, so I just wanted to go ahead and skip to the part when you set it up, you're actually using it. So this is how it looks. I'm looking at the camera right now. So I can just have it here on my desk setup, and then I can pull up the home menu. So let's go to home real quick. So that's environments. This is the home menu of how it actually would look like when you start up Vision Pro. So you can turn it, you can center it. So let's say, for example, I wanted to look up, you can also have it up there. And then while you're like working, have apps kind of like laid out, or you can center it, just turn or press the digital crown. That's all you would need to do. And you can control that. So let's do that. And then let's put a little bit of the environment. That way we're not too distracted. So this is how the UI looks. And then to scroll from different pages, I basically take my fingers here, pinch and scroll. That's how you can kind of go through between different pages. As you can tell, I already downloaded like Disney Plus, the DJ app, this Encounter Dinosaurs app, an NBA app. But for now, let's just go to Safari. And let's say I just wanted to pull up YouTube, right? I just go there, go to the search bar, and then let's go to like my channel. Boom, and this is how you type. So the keyboard will show up and you're using your eyes to direct where the keys will be like pressed, right? And there you go. Now you have my channel, you just pull it up. You can pull up different windows. You can put it up here, for example. You can make it bigger. You can pinch it and make it bigger. You can close it or add more windows. And the way you add more windows is you just press the home, the digital crown again, and you could pull up Apple TV, for example. And you can have that kind of posted up right there, right in front of you while you're watching YouTube, while you're watching Apple TV. And then if you wanted to take it a step further, like something that I would personally use, I would like pull up NBA. So I'd probably watch like, you know, NBA games right here. I could pull it up. I could even pull it like towards me. So like right there. It's actually pretty insane. Like it's so immersive and it feels like second nature. It feels like something that I've been using for a long time. And it's a weird experience once you like start using it more. So now I'm in the moon and like I'm watching YouTube on the moon, watching my sports games on the moon. I could pull up Apple TV and I could put it down here. This experience right here is honestly really insane. I can only imagine what the future will look like in the next couple of years with the Apple Vision Pro. It really is such a unique experience of being able to put YouTube here, put all sorts of things here to make it more productive. So that is pretty much the full first initial impressions and experience with the Apple Vision Pro. It is very unique and quite mind-blowing. Honestly, when I put it on and I was doing everything that I was doing right now with you guys for the first time, it made me realize that we are in the future. Like, I give this like 10 years for it to be smaller, thinner, probably like virtually no battery because this battery pack is quite annoying to carry. But in the next like 10 years, 15 years, this headset is gonna be insane. But anyways, if you guys wanna see a more in-depth review discussing the Vision Pro, kind of just going over every single feature of it, stay tuned. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more content like this one, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But other than that, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.